So we're just shooting a quick video tutorial, nothing crazy, about the mirrors that fall off on the VW Golf and Polo. This is a Polo, and driving on the highway the mirrors were like jiggling, and so you can see they're like loose before the turning, and so you could like kind of pry them up, and there's literally nothing sticking them on except for the top bit. So after they get old, they sit in the sun and water seeps down, the sticky residue from factory is no longer sticky. So we're going to fix that. So now we're just going to clean the back of the mirror. We've just done the other side as well, but we thought we might just film this to show, maybe this helps someone out. So just cleaning off all the old residue. There's some like black stuff, it's not really clear, that gets stuck on, so we've just taken a knife and scratched all that stuff off, and then we've just come here, got some Windex, and we're going to clean all this off so it's got a nice surface to stick to. We'll do the same on the car, so that there's no like dried material left, and then we'll take some of this thin double-sided tape and we'll lay it all over this, and then we'll cut back to when that's ready to go. We'll peel all that off and we'll stick it on, and then it's good to go. Cool. So now we've just stuck all these down. We're just sticking them to get as much coverage as possible, and then I'm just going to get the red stuff ready to go, and then we're going to go over to the car, stick it on, and it's going to be as good as new. We've just got all these guys ready to go. So now that they're all ready, they're really easy to just pull off rapid fire, and then we're going to walk over to the car and we're going to try stick it on perfectly the first time because the placement matters. Cool. So we got this, and now it's just a matter of trying to line this up. We just gave this a wipe before with a microfiber towel, clean the surface, and then yeah, we just line it up and stick it on. Make sure we get it perfect. Might have to give it a couple goes. And get it stuck on. And then you can apply some pressure, get some good contact pressure on that. And then all we need to do is adjust the mirrors, and then that's not going anywhere.